Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're gonna make an experiment called the Cartesian diver. And I'm gonna start with some ketchup. And it's ketchup in it and it's air in it and it's nearly floating. That's the important things here. It should nearly float and it should be some air in it. And we're gonna try to push on the bottle. We can see it's actually thinking. We're going to release it and we'll go all the way up again. So it's actually thinking ketchup. Give it a press from the side and release it, and we'll go up to the surface again. It's a pretty simple action that it's fun to do, it's easy to do at home. You just need to find that, like in this case, ketchup with some air in it. You can do it very simple. I'm gonna give it one more push here. So that was the ketchup. Now we're gonna go and do our own with a pipette and a screw. I cut the pipette, I put a screw in it to prevent the water from going away, and I had some food coloring as well to make it more visible. I'm gonna give it a push, and you saw it go to the bottom, and I release it, and I can actually hold it. You saw that small pause there? So I can choose where it's gonna be. And I can actually control how fast I want it to sink and go up to the surface with just the pressure from the bottle. And what is happening now is actually that I increase the pressure in the bottle. And when I press the bottle, the air is squeezing together, so it gets smaller, and I changed the density of the diver, making it sink to the bottom, and I can get it to float by controlling how much air that is in it, how squeezed the air is inside. So I release and press, so we go to the bottom and up again. We're gonna try a bit harder here and check how much air it is. It's not much at all. Now I release it and it expands again. We're gonna try one more time here, check the mass. And we can see that the air is expanding again. So a small pressure from the top or the side makes it to go to the bottom. You can probably do your own variation of it. It's possible to do with like a straw or eyedropper. You just need to find that balance to get it to nearly float. So there you have it, your own diver in a bottle. Hope you enjoyed it. Check out my other videos, and if you like them, subscribe. Take care.